Today, we're going to explore a game changing concept: how just 9 hours of focused contract training can equip you with more practical, real world skills than the 5 years you spent in law school. You will discover exactly what you learn in our bootcamp and how it'll help you become an expert in contract drafting, even if you're starting from scratch. By the end, you'll know why this bootcamp is essential for your career as a lawyer or legal professional. You might be thinking, what can possibly be taught in 9 hours that my 5 years of law school did not? Here is the difference. Law school focuses heavily on case law, sections, and theory. Our 9 hour bootcamp goes beyond the basics, offering you practical insights on drafting real contracts that can be used in actual legal work. This is the kind of training that prepares you for the real world, something that most law graduates lack. Instead of just memorizing case law or quoting sections, you will learn how to draft contracts that your clients need. This isn't theoretical knowledge, it's hand on actionable training. We'll walk you through the process of drafting contracts for real world scenarios. You will emerge with the ability to draft contracts that you can immediately use in your legal practice, giving you a major advantage over your peers. Don't have experience in contract drafting? No worries. We'll teach you how to find contract drafting work even if you've never done it before. We'll show you the step by step process of landing your first contract drafting gig, giving you the confidence and skills to start working right away. The best part? You will be able to put these strategies into practice as soon as the boot camp ends. For litigators, we'll cover 15 types of contracts that you absolutely must know to serve your clients better. These contracts are the foundations of a litigator's contract drafting practice, and by mastering them, you will be able to provide a more comprehensive service to your clients, opening up new revenue streams. Whether you're dealing with employment, real estate, or partnership agreements, these contracts are essential. In today's globalized world, your network is your net worth. We'll teach you three powerful strategies to connect with foreign startups, investors, and lawyers. These connections can lead to international opportunities that will significantly advance your career, whether you want to work with overseas clients or collaborate with global legal projects. These strategies will give you the tools to build those relationships. The future of contract drafting lies in technology. You will learn how to use AI tools to automate much of the contract drafting process. These tools will not only save you time, but also help you land more clients by offering faster, more efficient services. We'll also cover how to create contract negotiation playbooks using AI, making you a go to expert in contract automation. Drafting contracts for specialized sectors like M&A, finance, and construction requires its own set of skills and jargon. We'll teach you how to navigate these complex contracts and make sure that you understand the technical language used in these industries. Mastering sector specific contracts will set you apart in a highly competitive market. Every law firm, big or small, relies on a wide variety of contracts to function. We'll walk you through 50 different types of contracts that are needed in any law firm so you can bring immense value to any legal environment. Whether you're working for clients or in house, these contracts are essential tools in your legal toolkit. While Upwork is still a viable platform, it's not where you should be focusing all your efforts. We'll show you how to use Upwork to get your first few clients, and more importantly, how to transition out of Upwork to land higher paying opportunities. We'll show you how to earn $10,000 per month through strategic contract drafting and smart client acquisition techniques, giving you a clear pathway to financial success. In our bootcamp, we'll guide you through the 7 levels of contract drafting expertise from beginner to black belt. You will learn the exact skills you need at each level to advance your expertise and how to leverage those skills to land higher paying and more complex contracts. Whether you're just starting out or you've been practicing for years, you will see a clear pathway to becoming a top tier contract drafter. One of the most important aspects of contract drafting is ensuring that your contracts are enforceable. We'll cover 5 key formalities that law school does not teach but are critical to the enforceability of any contract. You will also learn how to ensure your contracts hold up under disputes, giving you confidence that your work is watertight from both a legal and practical perspective. If you plan to work with international clients, it's crucial to understand how to draft contracts that are enforceable abroad. We'll teach you the essentials of checking local laws in foreign countries to ensure that your contracts can stand up in international courts. This is a skill that few lawyers possess, and it will make you an invaluable asset to any international client. If you're excited to learn these powerful contract drafting skills and fast track your career, then join us for a free 3-day bootcamp this weekend. In just 9 hours, you will gain practical skills that will set you apart from your peers. Plus, we have some exciting giveaways lined up for attendees. Do not miss this opportunity to elevate your contract drafting abilities and take your legal career to the next level.